and welcome to the video tutorial where we explore just how easy it is to create a new quote using RCA AI, Claude, and Kugamon. So let's dive right in and explore this further together. Now, if you want to follow along, you will need a subscription to RCA AI, you will need a pro subscription to Claude, and a subscription to Salesforce and Kugamon. Once you have all of these, make sure you're logged in and we're ready to go. Now, if you've been following along on the previous related video tutorials where we have created a new opportunity within our designated account, tied to our designated key contact using Claude, RCA AI, and Kugamon, then we're gonna pick up where we left off. But if you just happen to be in this exact scenario and you need help, that's okay too. We are gonna go into Claude and either you're gonna create a new chat or you can continue on the same chat that we have opened previously. Now, I'm gonna continue on the same chat where I have just had Claude create a new opportunity for us within my designated account here at Starbucks, tied to the CFO Rachel. So now I'm going to ask Claude to create a quote from the new sale opportunity related to the Starbucks org and tied to the CFO Rachel. And I'm going to also ask Claude to add 2 line items to this quote. And I've just added the name of those 2 line items, essentially this physical product and this support. So you can tweak your question accordingly so that it makes sense for your unique scenario. And essentially, once you have that framework, let's go ahead and ask away. Okay, so now it is creating that new quote for us. Okay, so if you check my screen, I asked it to add 2 line items and it found one, it didn't find the other. So this is a really good opportunity to dive deeper into some of the capabilities of Claude. So it did find 4 alternative support items. And let's say that I actually want it to use support silver. So it's great that it added this. So here, please use So I'm literally just telling it to use the support silver in the new quote. Now let's see how it puts everything together for us. So here it's going to create the quote with the Gen Watt propane 100 kilowatt product and the support silver. Okay, here we go. And it wanted our permission to create these line items in the quote, so I said yes. Okay, so you're going to see your own variation of questions that really make sense to your unique scenario. So just follow it accordingly, and you can also, as you see on my screen here, check and follow the progress. All right. So you'll notice it's very thorough. Okay. Allow. Okay, so now we have the summary letting us know that the quote has been created. And we can see the quote product lines, quote service lines, a very nice summary. So let's now take a look at the quote. I'm going to click to open it directly from this link and see if it connects us to the correct thing. So here is the quote record, and what in my situation I want to look for is this field here, opportunity name. I want this to link to the same opportunity that is in my original tab. So here's the original one, close date March 18th, and I can see it's the same one, but here the amount is there's nothing added, and here we have a value here because those line items have been added. So that's good. I'm going to go back to the quote, and now I can just quickly check the related list and see that those two items have been added, but let's do the ultimate test and see what the quote PDF looks like. So I just clicked on the create PDF button, and now here is our quote PDF, and within product lines we can see that Genwatt propane 100 kilowatt product, and then within service lines we see that support silver. So it is so easy, as you saw, to easily create this beautiful quote within your Kugamon Salesforce org using Sierra AI and Cloud. Now, if you have any questions about any of these steps, feel free to leave us your inquiry in the comments below, or reach out to the appropriate support team at Sierra AI, Cloud, Kugamon, or Salesforce. But do you want to learn more? Take a look at the 2 helpful video tutorials below.